On the 29th of May, 1832, Évariste Galois sat down to write. He was 20. In the morning, he would meet a man in a field outside Paris, and one of them would be shot. He seems to have known which one. He spent that night not saying goodbye to anyone, but making sure his mathematics would outlive him. For 3 centuries, mathematicians had asked how to solve an equation. Galois asked whether it could be solved at all. Every equation he saw carries hidden symmetries, ways of shuffling its solutions that leave its structure untouched. Those symmetries form an object he called a group, and the shape of that group decides, before you take a single step, whether any formula can ever reach the answer. Nobody would read it. He failed the entrance exam to the École Polytechnique twice. He sent his work to the Academy of Sciences 3 times. Cauchy mislaid it. Fourier took it home and died, and the manuscript vanished with him. In July 1831, Poisson returned the 3rd version with a verdict still quoted today, neither sufficiently clear nor sufficiently developed for us to judge its rigor. He was also a Republican in a monarchy, and loud about it. Expelled from the École Normale for a letter attacking its director. Arrested for a toast made with a knife in his hand. He spent months in Sainte-Pélagie prison and did mathematics there. He came out ill in the spring of 1832 into an affair and a challenge he would not refuse. The legend says he wrote the whole of modern algebra that night, racing the sunrise. It isn't true, and the truth is better. The mathematics was already written. It had been written for years and rejected for years. What he wrote that night was a letter to his friend, Auguste Chevalier. Where the papers were, what they meant, who to send them to. In the margin, beside a proof he had no room to finish, he scrawled 3 words. I have no time. He was shot in the abdomen on the morning of the 30th and died the next day, age 20. His collected mathematics runs to about 60 pages. Leoville published them in 1846, 14 years after the funeral. They are why the 5th degree equation has no formula, why you cannot trisect an angle with a compass, and how physics describes symmetry itself. 60 pages.